This is our foldable and expandable container house. It arrives safely packed in a standard container size, making transportation easy and cost-efficient. Once delivered, the setup is simple, just unfold the structure step by step. With only 2 to 3 people, the whole process can be completed in a very short time, no heavy machinery required. The walls and roof lock into place securely, giving you a solid, weather-resistant living or working space. From opening to fully usable, installation is super fast and reliable. Whether for housing, offices, or temporary projects, this foldable container house is designed for convenience, speed, and safety. We provide complete lead steel housing solutions, from design to installation, fully customized for your project. Safe, modern, and efficient, our whole house solutions are built to last. Contact us today and let's create your next space together.